Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a fresh PS Vita Android port to check out, and that is Splinter Cell Conviction. This stealth action adventure game dropped in 2010 from Ubisoft with Microsoft Game Studios, and later on Gameloft handled the handheld version for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Critics loved its gameplay, art direction, and story, though some knocked it for a short campaign and stepping away from the classic stealth roots of earlier titles. Either way, it's a solid addition to the Vita's port lineup. Installing it is pretty straightforward, but you'll need a few things: the plugins, KU Bridge, Shader Compiler, and the FD Fix to keep it running smooth. And plus, the original Android game files. You're looking for the APK and the OBB from an Android or Xperia Play copy of Splinter Cell Conviction. Here's how to set it up. Unzip the APK with an extraction tool and grab the libschp.so file. And from the OBB, take the entire Gameloft folder. On your Vita, create a new folder under data called Splinter Cell, then copy the libschp.so and Gameloft folder together here. Next, grab the VPK from VitaDB or online, install it, and you're all set. If everything's in place, the game should boot up with no issues. And once you have it running, head to the configuration page and you can bump the FPS to 60 from the default 30 and tweak the quality and even hide the joystick and gamepad icons for a cleaner look. It's pretty nice to have these options for this port.
It's the end, Fisher! You're over! Die, Fisher! Die! Die! Stop there, motherfucker! It's the end, Fisher! You're over! We're under attack! Get to cover! We're under attack! Get to cover!
This port surprised me. It runs slick on the Vita and those config tweaks really make it shine. And it's not the longest game, but for stealth fans or port collectors, it's a cool pickup. So let me know if you tried it out. Links to the VPK and more details are below. And if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Vita Homebrew updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy gaming.